tornado emergency for Joplin. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cherokee County in southeastern Kansas, northern Newton County in southwestern Missouri, southern Jasper County in southwestern Missouri, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over southwestern Joplin, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Joplin. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, broadcast media confirmed tornado in West 32nd Street. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Duquesne around 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Carterville and Dunwoody around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Carthage and Diamond around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sartuxie around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fidelity, Atlas, Shoal Creek Estates, Brooklyn Heights, Dennis Acres, Grand Falls Plaza, Oakland Park, Readings Mill, Reeds and Cliff Village. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.